Hi everyone, Nicholas Dooley here, founder of StoreCensus. If you're a Shopify app developer and you've been struggling to get some traction for your application, you maybe got a couple installs, but you're still trying to figure out how to really get it going. Today I'm going to show you a different way or a new way of getting installs for your application. So here at StoreCensus, we have millions of Shopify stores available that you could segment with all different kinds of filters. And something that's really useful for Shopify app developers is this apps filter. And what this is that it tracks all of the Shopify websites and what applications they have installed. So as an example, if you created an application in the order tracking category, what you would want to do is find competitors in that vertical. So you would find Shopify stores that have your competitor applications already installed, and they would be perfect candidates for your application. I mean, think about it. If they already installed your competitor, they're most likely willing to install a similar application that offers better functionality or more value. So as an example, this is the categories. So let's pretend that we have an application in order tracking. So you can see there's 88 applications in the order tracking category. So 17 Track is a popular application. We can check this out here. They have quite a bit of installs. So you can see here they have 20,000 installs. So they would be a good target, a good starting point. We don't want to go too broad, so let's pretend that we say, hey, we want all the Shopify stores that have 17 Track installed. Right now, we can go and take a look here. Let's first remove the emails column because it's hard to view this, and telephones. Okay, let's see. So as an example, let's take a look at this first one here. These are the installed applications. We can see they have 17 Track installed, so it's detected on June 7th, 2025. And these are the other applications installed. So what can we do with this? Well, we could further segment, right? We can say, hey, you know what? I only want Shopify stores in the US. So we'll scroll down here. And now we have 12,260 stores. We can go even further and say, you know what? We want Shopify stores that have at least 100 products, between 100 and 250 products. And we can see here, we now have 1,871 stores. So now what do we do with this? Well, we can export the results. You can see here, it's estimating to use 1,871 of your credits. That means that there's most likely 1,871 emails available within that selection. So that's great, exactly fitting the matching the results we had. So we can check the columns we want to export here. So since we want to do some outreach, we want to make sure we have emails selected. And if you want to do any telephone calls, make sure you output the telephones as well. I would also like to see the vertical, which is the category. And I think that'll do it. And we'll agree to this, and we'll get the export going. Okay, our download is ready.